Hi friends, today I started a new video. This is my new motivational speech. Content: delete negative thoughts. Delete negative thoughts and free your mind from stress and fear. Let go of hopefulness and frustration because every new day bring new chance to grow. Stay optimistic, believe in yourself and walk forward with confidence and courage. Never back down when life becomes difficult. Challenges make you stronger. Take one step at a time, keep going strong and trust your journey. Peace of mind, mental clarity and positivity over doubt and negativity. Your future becomes brighter the moment you decide to believe in yourself again. Thank you so much.